is that great joy that you communicate. I think that is your philosophy of life. And I read a little incident about how when you were making manja, and you became the kite, and you said, I will always fly high like a kite. Tell us about that.
Yeah, the kite flying girl.
Tell us
That's
about
the chapter.
that.
Yes, hi everybody, namaskar, namaskaram, sat sri akal, salam alaikum. It's, for me, it's so amazing to be sat over here with Srishti, who's written the book, and Satya. Now, we've already got so many generations, right? And I think it's just fabulous when, you talk to me about a book. For me, it still hasn't really set in that somebody would want to write a book about me. And when it was written first in Hindi by Shri Vikas Kumar Jha, I felt so amazed because, like most people, they would think that a nightclub singer ought to be written in English first. So roles reversed and Srishti did the translation. It was so amazing to know that father and daughter team is doing this. And, to do, as you asked her about how difficult it was, for me it must have been such a humongous task because the Hindi is so bejeweled with lyrical language, and I kept wondering, how is Srishti ever going to be able to do something like that with the kind of words that you can use in Hindi, which is so difficult to translate in any other language, like all languages, I think. But Srishti has done, even as I say it, has done such a marvelous job of this, really. And there are certain parts in it which I couldn't believe, really, that I did this, like the manja. This kite flying thing. Actually, for those of you who don't know about kite flying, in India, it's a big thing, to be a good kite flyer, and even better, to make manja. And I made my own manja for my brothers. Of course, they didn't give me even 2 annas from their pocket money, but I made manja for them. And I used to break all the old bulbs in the glass bottles and, break it and make it into a little mishmash with maida, that is corn flour. And, then I would roll it up and put a little bit of red or cochineal, the color from the little kitchen that we had, and I would run the manja. Can you imagine kids today, would we ever allow our children to use glass pieces like that? But my mother and father, well, we just grew up just like that. And, I don't even know my father or mother ever telling me, don't do this, don't do that, or sit down to study. Today, everybody's talking about all that. So I think the kite flying thing came because my brothers wanted me to make such good manja, and I really made fantastic manja. My brother's kites always cut all the other kites in the compound and nearby compounds. So I think from then I thought to myself, well, I have to fly high. I'm a Scorpio, if any of you would remember. I'm 8 November, so if you feel like sending me a birthday card or an email, I'd be very happy. I love receiving cards and good wishes, yeah? You feel like. 8 November, Scorpio. And Scorpio is one of the only signs that has 2 symbols. One is the lowly scorpion, and one is the flying eagle. So I guess all of you think and know that I did and I am the flying eagle only because all of you have been with me for so many years. So flying high is what it's all about. You aim for the skies, you might just reach the treetops.